In this video, I am going to show you how you can scrape or extract data from websites using Octopus. There are 5 steps to scrape data. Step 1. Open the targeted web page. Step 2. Create a pagination loop. Step 3. Create a loop item. Step 4. Select the data to extract. Step 5. Save and run the task. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open the targeted web page. Create a new task by clicking on this icon, and then click on Advanced Mode. Now paste or enter your URL in the box and click on Save. Click in the search bar and enter the name of the required category. Click on the search button and then click on Click button in the floating box. Step 2. Create a pagination loop. Scroll down and locate the Next Page button. Click on the Next button and then click on Loop. Click Next Page in the floating box. The pagination loop is created. As you can see, I am on the second page. Now click on Go to Web Page button in the top left box, enter text, and click Item respectively. Click on the pagination box as well. Step 3. Create a loop item. Click on the first item and Octopus will automatically identify all remaining items. Click on Select All, then select Loop. Click each URL in the floating box. Step 4. Select the data to extract. I am now on the company details page. Click on the name of the company and now click on the extract text of the selected element in the floating box. Do the same for all the required information. You can also change the field names from the top right box. Step 5. Save and run the task. After completing the setup, click on Save and Run. Click on Local Extraction. Now you can see the data being scraped. Click on the Export Data. Now select the format in which you want to export your data. That's all from this tutorial. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video as much as you can. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to write in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.